Okay.
Cross that water straight.
If you fall with camera, no problem.
Huh? Find something, come and do it.
Now let me come out from a bed.
Where you Where you get to?
No, and now let me like come.
Now let me come for what you from.
No, I don't know.
Why? What you want?
Like,
See your leg like here.
no, I enter transport. I will rent the boat from here.
Rent boat from here.
From here.
Yeah.
5,000. They will rent for me from here.
Where the other people when they hide inside bush?
So I come alone. I know I tell
Now
you.
only you then come here.
I come buy market. People they here. As they
Where
run,
the
I
people
know get where I go wrong. Good, I make her come outside.
So the people here run, why you no follow them run?
Okay, I know fear or nothing to start life now. Nothing. I know the life for you. Nothing again. No need to run.
So how much did you commit to this business?
152,000.
Where the money dey?
I use I give the baby, you get away one side the market, she don't run. Everything don't finish.
Where are you from, madam?
I'm a data person.
Now from Delta you come here
Yes,
to come buy this tea.
yes, I go buy yourself for water side.
Which water side? Which water side did you sell and
Degeba water side. Agric water side for Degeba.
so the girl where you give the money, where she
I know as we dey where the people come and first start for there, I no wan run, I come outside. The way the 3 people take for the 3 goods. Now I come first go inside. Before I turn, I no see her again. I don't find her and I don't know anywhere.
The Navy has put everything on ground to ensure that it curbs illegal crude oil theft. And just yesterday we had one of our assets, the naval helicopter, to do aerial patrols. And it was in the course of the patrols that we discovered this site. Immediately, gunboats were scrambled, and we had our personnel, they slept here actually. Throughout the night they remained here so that none of these assets that is being used to steal crude will be taken away. And at the same time, we equally contacted NMPC OML 18, who are the operators of this field. In the course of my command, I have not found anybody who has come to say any military personnel is conniving with them. And on several fora, I've equally challenged all of those people that have made these allegations to come forward and tell us who, if they know the individuals who are conniving, name them and shame them.
Illegal bunkerings have been going on there. So all this while the council and the security agent, the DSS, we have been writing series of reports. And I believe part of the thing that the Navy gone there to do this destruction is because of the reports we have been giving. Meanwhile, I want to really thank the Nigeria Navy for going there to do the clearing of that place. That we pray that NNPC, who is the owner of the oil wells, the manifolds and the oil wells there, should use this opportunity to come and lock up those illegal bunkering activity, because it is damaging the good people of Asaito.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.